Hi. For Father's Day, I thought it might be fun for you to get to know Dad a little bit better by asking him some questions. So we're going to make a book called All About Dad, and we're going to do it while we use the Unity 60 sequence software. Of course, you could do this with any version of Unity. You can do it with the Unidad English software. You can do it with the Unidad Spanish side as well. You just need to translate the questions. And you can also do it with Lamp Words for Life. And so what we're going to be doing is asking Dad some questions, and the question will be what?
What
And then we're going to hit the sun and the U
do you like?
to say, do you like? And we're going to ask Dad all about things that he likes. So my dad's not here for me to ask him the questions, but I think I know his answers pretty well. So the first page says, what do you like to eat?
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
What do you like to eat? And then Dad might say,
I like to eat
you know what my dad likes to eat? He likes to eat.
popcorn. I like to eat popcorn.
I like to eat popcorn. So I'm going to write popcorn here because I know for sure that's what my dad would say. Okay. The next question we're going to ask Dad is, what do you like to drink?
What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink?
My dad loves to drink coffee, so he would say,
I like to drink coffee. I like to drink coffee.
so let me go ahead and write that in. Our next question is, what do you like to play?
What do you like to play? What do you like to play?
My dad loves to play golf, so I think I'll write golf on that one. Okay, our next question for Dad is, what do you like to make?
What do you like to make? What do you like to make?
I'm thinking, I can't remember what my dad likes to make. Well, you know what he does like to make. He likes to make popcorn. So I'm going to say,
I like to make popcorn. I like to make
so I'm
popcorn.
pretty sure that's what my dad would say. I like to make popcorn. There's a popcorn theme in this book, isn't there? Okay. 2 more questions. The next question is, what do you like to sing?
What do you like to sing? What do you like to sing?
My dad likes to sing. He likes to sing. He might like to say, I like
I like
to sing,
to sing.
You Are My Sunshine.
You are my sun.
Now, I don't think that shine is in here, so I'm going to have to go and spell it.
S-H-I-N-E. I like to sing You Are My Sunshine.
I think that's what my dad would say, so I'm going to write that in. You are my sunshine. All right. And the last question in our book about Dad is, what do you like to watch?
What do you like to watch? What do you like to watch?
And I know my dad pretty well. I think he would say,
I like to watch.
see if I can find it here. Well, it's not there, so I'm going to go into categories.
Sports. I like to watch sports.
I like to watch sports. My dad loves to watch sports, so I'm going to go ahead and write that in. So you can print this book. The link for the file to print this book is in the description below this video. And I hope you have fun asking Dad all these questions and finding out what he likes to do. Happy Father's Day.